One question we get all the time is about pruning. So Julie, when, where, how? Tell us about it. You got 3 different kind of shaped bushes here. How do you approach it?
Evergreens like these hollies are best pruned during the winter time when they're dormant. That'll be safer for the plant, less stressful. You'll get a better result from that.
Okay, all right, and then this is an azalea.
These azaleas have just finished blooming, and right after a plant blooms is another good time to prune it, so that it'll be sure to bloom next year and have plenty of time to recover from the pruning.
Well, I've seen people that have really gotten aggressive in trimming things back, and you end up with a lot of like dead stuff like you see in here that actually showing. What are they doing wrong? Just cutting too much?
Well, when you trim things into a wall shape or into a rounded shape and you do it over and over again, eventually it blocks light from the inside and you end up with dead branches.
Oh, I see.
A good way to fix that is every couple years to go in and take out some of these branches, open up some chunks here to let light come in, and it'll start to turn green back in the middle.
Okay, okay, and what about something like this? This is, of course, lower to the ground, obviously had a shape. Do you just simply come back and then just kind of reshape it in a round fashion like this?
Well, for a small one like this, you mostly want to just keep it in shape. You may want to come in either after it blooms or over the winter and take out some larger branches, let some light get into the middle.
Okay, do you use the old school way here, or do you like the electric gasoline-powered hedge trimmers?
I like the old school way because I like to know what I'm trimming. The electric ones can sometimes tear the leaves. It doesn't give as nice an edge, but they can be helpful if you have a big job to do.